Hey guys, so I have a few plants that I got from the Lowe's clearance section, and it was my first time going. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube say you should go to the clearance section and see if there's any plants that are worth saving. So I was able to score really well at the clearance section. I got a jasmine plant, I got an olive tree, and I got a few others, but I'm gonna turn you guys around and I'll show you guys what I'm working with. Today, I'm going to do a little makeover here in our back patio section just so we can sit. So before I had the seating all the way over there, and since the temperature is becoming a little bit hotter and I do want to still enjoy it, I want to come under the covered area that we have. We have a lanai, so it's not completely closed in, but it has a covering area. So I'm going to add a rug that I was able to find at Home Goods. I'm hoping that it's going to fit this section really well. And then I'm just going to bring the seating over here, add a few florals, and then we'll decorate a little bit. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys enjoy pruning and repotting with me today. Grab your coffee or a glass of water if you'd like. Alright, so these are a few of the plants that I was able to get. So this one is called a cupia. I think that's how you pronounce it. So this one I'm going to add. I got a few marigolds as well. These were regular sale. I got I want to say this is salvia. Yeah, this is salvia. This isn't lavender, but it's within the family. So I'm going to plant these with the marigolds. I did get some mint, rosemary, and lavender. And then I got another one of these kufia ones. This is the jasmine. It's a different species than the one that I have. This is an Asian jasmine. This one was on sale for 50% off, so I got that one on sale as well as this one. This guy just needs like a lot of pruning, new soil, and water. We should be good. This is a blue diamond delphini. Sorry, let me focus on that one again. Delphinium. So hopefully it will look like this. I mean, we have some blooms here, but not like a lot. You can see that they weren't really cared for too much. So I got these, and then I got 2 bags of potting mix for us to do it. This one I like just because you can do it for fruits, flowers, herbs, and vegetables. So I really don't need to get multiple types of soil, because there are some that are just for vegetables and then there's some that are just for plants. This one is the combination one, so it's pretty good. And it retains moisture. And then this is our olive tree. You can see that it just needs to be propped up a little bit. I have this little piece. I'm so sad about it because I was getting it into the car and I didn't realize that this was hanging out, and I slammed the door. So I gotta trim this piece off and get a few of these weeds out of here, clean her up a bit, and then put it into a new pot, and we'll see. It says that it needs sun, but not direct sun all day, so I'm thinking over here in this corner would be a good one. I'm going to move all of our chairs out, clean this area, lay down this rug that I got. I'm really hoping that this rug fits over here because I really like it. It's from Martha Stewart's line. It's nothing fancy, it's just I like the colors, so black and beige with a little bit of, black and white with a little bit of beige. So I'm really hoping that this will do really well here in this area, and we're just gonna clean up here. Nothing too fancy, but we'll decorate, make it a little bit more cozy, so when we come out here we can just enjoy morning coffee. All right, let's get to it. Okay guys, so here I'm going to start off by just removing all of the plants from this little area under the lanai. I'm going to sweep off and just try to get the area as clean as possible. I really don't need a power wash here. Our patio actually holds up pretty good. Just getting a little bit of the hose and hosing it down is all that it really needs. We did go ahead and get this patio, or excuse me, I should say pool deck, resurfaced last year, and it's concrete stamping, so it isn't like stone or tile or anything like that. It does need to be sealed, so we had asked the guy how often we should seal it, and he says it really just depends. He would recommend doing it, you know, like once a year or once every 2 years. It depends on how hard you use your deck surface, but he says it does last a good time as long as you take care of it. So as you can see, I'm moving all of these cushions and these chairs, and I have a family of lizards, guys. Like every single time I turned around, there's a lizard on something. But I'm glad that they're here. They do keep the bugs away. I'm not afraid of lizards, maybe because I grew up here in South Florida, but they're nice to keep around just because they get rid of any like ants and spiders and stuff like that. So I don't mind them. The ones that I don't like are like the really big ones that run really fast. Those freak me out just because I feel like they shouldn't be that large, but you know, in South Florida. So I'm going to clean up this area really good, sweep it down, pick up what I can pick up around here, and then we'll start laying down this rug from Martha Stewart. Okay, so what I noticed was when I swung open the door, because I completely forgot last year, I had to position this further out because when you open the door, it hits the table. So I don't think having it go this way is aesthetically pleasing, so I'm gonna have to shift everything down a little bit, including the rug and stuff like that, and then we can start decorating. So I would like to start off today with a quote from one of my idols, Audrey Hepburn. So her quote states, "Beautiful eyes look for the good in everyone. Beautiful lips speak of kindness. And for poise, walk with knowledge, and you will never be alone." So I'd like for us to go ahead and just reflect on that today. You know, beautiful eyes to see good in everyone. So I know a lot here in South Florida and a lot of major cities too, we do see people that are homeless. And I think because of our society, we're easily able to judge those. Not to try to put ourselves in like their positions, you know, like how did they get there? What happened in their life for them to be where they are now? And would they ever be able to overcome that? It does fill my heart with sadness just because being in the medical field, you see people with mental illnesses and how people are easily judging them. And I don't think that we should do that. Instead, how can we help them? So just think about that, you know, whenever you see someone that doesn't look like you or maybe doesn't have the same things that you have or the same opportunities that you have, you know, try to be grateful for who you are and, you know, how you got to where you are. You could have also gone through those same predicaments as others, but you just overcame it in a different way, maybe different time as well. Could have just taken you a lot lesser time. Beautiful lips, you know, speak kindness to each other. That's what I like about having this channel. You know, I'd like for everyone to kind of get to know each other and just speak words of kindness and help each other where we think that we could help them. So even if you see me here, you know, planting something incredibly wrong, please tell me, you know, like just say, hey, you know, maybe that doesn't go with that plant, or, you know, maybe you ought to think of this in a different way, you know, that could possibly help you. You know, just trying to help each other out here. That's what my channel is about, just having some peace and being able to know that there are people in this area that I guess we enjoy all the same things, right? We enjoy homemaking and decorating and making where we are beautiful, and we should do that in addition to helping others that want to achieve the same thing. You know, just give them nice words of support. And then just to walk with poise, you know, always try to treat others as you would treat them. And, you know, knowledge is always learning, right? So we're always learning about what we should or should not do. Or even here, you know, I'm not sure entirely if I should, you know, be planting these marigolds with these cuffias, but they said that they need about the same amount of water and the same amount of sunlight. So I figured they would be great, but I might learn that they don't do well together. But knowledge is also growing, so growing together, growing in yourself. And I just wanted to give you guys a little piece of that. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video today. I really hope you guys enjoyed spending the early morning with me planting these flowers and giving them a new home and hopefully some life. I really hope that some of the ones that I was able to save, I actually saved. I'll keep you guys updated on how they are doing, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Have a great week.